Lawrence is hard.
Warn all of this has happened here before. Pictures that you sent scattered on the floor. One frame you and me in memory. The one night before the scene. Bursting flames, the fight that crashed so softly on your face and let me know that you're alright tonight, wherever you are.
About half a second sooner and you would have that.
I did it the last time. That's all I'm gonna say. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, that's cool.
You didn't time it very well, but it looked